Hello everybody and welcome into the academic writing course again. Today's presentation is going to be about how to write a paragraph. As a matter of fact, it's going to be a live demonstration of 5 steps of how to write a good paragraph. Today I'm going to focus on the first 2 steps. So in step 1, you're going to see me in action writing a topic sentence. So I'm going to start from a particular topic and I'm going to write a topic sentence. And in stage B, I will be brainstorming for supporting ideas. And then in step 2, I will be brainstorming for evidence, details, and examples. Okay, let's get going. So let's consider the following topic. Say, for example, we are asked to write a paragraph about our role model, about the person we admire most. So this is the topic that we are asked to write about. So we need to decide on a topic sentence. If you remember, we said that the topic sentence is the main idea of the paragraph, and it is usually the first one. It has 2 parts, a topic and a controlling idea. The topic is what I'm writing about, and the controlling idea is the aspect that I want to show about that topic. So here I'm asked to write about my role model. If you remember in a previous video, I worked with a paragraph where Aunt Zahra was the hero. So I'm going to remain faithful to Aunt Zahra, and I'm going to write a paragraph today, right in front of you, a paragraph about her. It's going to be more or less about the same paragraph, because I wrote that paragraph and I want to share with you the process that I engaged into before I was able to write it. So I'm going to write about Aunt Zahra. She is the topic that I'm going to write about. And I want to show and demonstrate why I like her, why she is my hero. She's my role model and inspiration. So that is the controlling idea that I need to demonstrate and develop about Aunt Zahra. So in order to save time, I have already gotten ready 3 sample topic sentences. Let's look at the first one. Aunt Zahra is my role model and my inspiration. So this is my topic sentence. It is about, the topic is Aunt Zahra. And what do I want to say? What do I want to show about her? I want to show that she is my role model and my inspiration. So that is my controlling idea. Another topic sentence to consider, it develops the same idea, but it's expressed in a different manner. There are many reasons why Aunt Zahra is the person I look up to. So it's about, the topic is Aunt Zahra, and I'm going to give reasons why she is the person I look up to, I admire. In the same way, the third topic sentence, possible topic sentence, is about Aunt Zahra as the main topic. And the controlling idea is why I like her most. So Aunt Zahra is the person I like most for a number of reasons. So I'm going to write about Aunt Zahra, and I'm going to show why I like her most. I'm going to give reasons why I like her most. That is my controlling idea. Great, so now we're done with the topic sentence. Now we said, if you remember, that every topic sentence, particularly every controlling idea of topic sentence, needs to be explained and developed with supporting ideas. I need to support my thesis, my general idea of the topic sentence with arguments, with supporting ideas. Now, I have already done the job for you for the sake of brevity and in order to save time. And I have thought about why I like Aunt Zahra and found out that I like her because she's active, because she's generous, because she's composed, calm, and quiet, because she's a very helpful person to the community, and because she is an open-minded person. Now, I have found 5 reasons why Aunt Zahra is my role model. Now, if you remember again, we talked about UCDO, unity, U for unity, C for coherence, D for development, and O for organization. It is a good thing to try and integrate these elements as of the early stages of the writing process. Particularly, this is important, particularly when you get to write about larger elements such as the essays and the research papers. It is always a good thing to bear in mind these academic requirements when you start writing. So as you can see here, all these 4 supporting ideas contribute to paragraph unity. There is not a single idea that does not show why I like Aunt Zahra. Good. Now that we have identified 5 supporting ideas to defend our topic sentence and our controlling idea in particular, we need now to find evidence and details or examples for every supporting idea. So we said that I like Aunt Zahra because she's active. Now, is she active? How is she active? We need to convince the reader that she is an active person. Here again, I have done the job in order to save time, and I have found the following reasons why she's active. Well, 1, she likes reading and gardening. Now, gardening and reading are activities that Aunt Zahra engages in, and they show that she's an active person. She doesn't just sit in front of TV or lies in bed. 2, she walks her dog Butsy every day. That is action again. 3, whenever I go see her, she's doing something. She's never just sitting and relaxing. She's always busy doing something. 4, the other day, when I went to see her, I found her changing the battery of her car herself. Wow. All these 4 details show that Aunt Zahra is an active person. The second supporting idea that I'll be using to write the paragraph is to show that she is helpful. So if you tell the reader that I like Aunt Zahra because she's helpful, the reader is going to ask you, what does she do that makes her helpful? Well, she does the shopping for some of the old people in the village. And 2, she gives free maths lessons to the neighbors' children. These 2 contributions to the community show that she is a helpful person indeed. Another reason I said why I like Aunt Zahra is that because she's a composed person. She's calm. She never gets upset. Good. So I like her because she's composed. What does that mean? She's never upset. She never gets angry. The 4th argument why I like Aunt Zahra is that she is generous. Now, if you say that and stop, the reader is going to wonder, what does she do? How is she generous? Well, you need to give the reader reasons and examples why she's generous. Well, she gives me good pocket money anytime I call on her. Anytime I go see her, she gives me good pocket money, so that shows that she's generous. 2, She gives half her retirement pension every month away to the charity associations. Half her retirement pension. She's an old woman. She's retired, and she gets a retirement pension, a retirement salary at the end of every month. Well, she contributes. She gives away half of that every month, and she doesn't hesitate to give money to charity associations. So all these three things indicate that she is generous. All of them are evidence of her generosity. Lastly, I said that I like her because she's open-minded. The reader is going to ask you, why is she open-minded? How? What does she do? Well, you need to explain that with examples, evidence, and details. But she gets along. She remains in good terms with people who have different opinions and convictions from hers. She has her own opinions and convictions that are different from other people, but it doesn't matter. She still respects them and gets along with them just fine. She has her own views and principles. So these two arguments, these two elements and details show that she is an open-minded person. Good. So all in all, I will be in the next video, which I wouldn't like you to miss for anything. I will be showing you how to work with all this information, with the supporting ideas and the details. And I'll be showing you how to eliminate the poor or weak supporting ideas and maintain and keep only the strong ones that contribute to explain your topic sentence in an efficient manner. I will be showing you how to organize your supporting ideas and how to organize and use the evidence and details effectively, and finally, how to write your first draft. Well, thank you very much for your time and attention. I hope that you have learned some from this presentation, and I'll be pleased to hear your comments and your questions, if any, down the video. Well, stay tuned, and I'll be seeing you again soon. Bye.